Roy and Oma again. We're on Trail 5 now. We just did the moderate section, came down a bunch of stairs. We're back here down by Sugar Creek again. And Oma's taking a little break here.
Yeah, I need a little break.
So what do you think of Trail 5?
I think I like the other one better.
Yeah.
The one we took before.
Yeah.
So far.
Well, we're on the moderate section, that's why.
Because that's just stairs and...
Yeah. What do you think of the ravine on each side?
Oh, I think that's cool. I didn't realize you up that high. You know, that there'd be such a deep ravine.
Yeah.
So, that's nice. I know I'm in a little bit of mountainside. Yeah. I'm looking forward to the rest of the trail.
Yeah.
So.
Yep, so from here on we're going to head up the ravine. Well, not the one behind me. The one behind me is actually where Trail 4 goes. But the one that, here, let me show you the stairs. We're headed that way, whereas Trail 4 would take us back that way. Anyway, that's it for now. We'll take another video further up the trail and check with you later. Bye. Okay, we're here on Trail 5. There's this nice little log in the way, and I just wanted to get a recording of Oma going over the log.
Watch me, how to get over this log. See?
And there you go. That's how Oma does the rugged outback ravine trails. Okay, here we are on Trail 5. Wanted to go ahead and do a little video of this section here. You can see it's a flowing creek. All nice and pretty. Zoom back out here. Looks like Oma's taking a break now. Here's a slight little waterfall. Let me zoom in on it so you can get a better view of the pretty trickling water that comes off the edge there. Anyway, Oma, what do you think? What do you think so far?
Well, the end was better here.
Yeah.
It was during us hiking. The first part I was not excited, but this part is a little strenuous. I'm a little worn out, so I'm taking a break, and I climb up them stairs, and hopefully I don't have too far to go to the car to get something to drink and a snack.
All right.
I'm having fun. Thank you, Roy, for taking me.
All right. So there you have it. We're toward the end of Trail 5. We're about halfway through the rugged section. Don't have a whole heck of a lot left to go. Trail 5 ends right at a nice pavilion picnic area where there's modern restrooms and a couple drinking fountains out there. There's also a pit toilet if you prefer that, so whatever. But we're gonna head on up there, take a little rest before we attack Trail 1. Anyway, we'll see you all later. Bye. Hey everyone, we're still on Trail 5. I'm almost in front of me. Up that way. Yep. Just look for the trail. And we're kind of in a really cool section here on Trail 5. We come into this nice little outcropping of rock.
How do I get out?
You go forward. Turn around, tell me what you think. So.
scary back here.
Yeah.
Oh. What is this everywhere? Under here,
Yeah.
over there. Should there no bears here?
Well, if there's one back here, we got them cornered.
Look,
That way.
this way.
You're headed the right way.
Oh my, look what's there. A ladder.
So here we are. If you want a nice little view up, you can see how
Oh,
big
wow.
this nice little outcropping is here. And there's the trail where we came
Where
from.
the graffiti is.
Yeah, this is where that graffiti is.
Now go up here. Or
Yep.
go around here.
However, probably up. I think would be a lot easier.
Here?
Yeah, probably. I mean, either or. There's no real right way to get there. Hey, here we are. Did you want to take a break here? And there's a log over here,
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah, I think that's the one.
Those of you.
There's a nicer one up there.
Okay, well, we can go sit up there if you want. So, yeah, right there's that graffiti.
Yeah.
Whoop, let go. Anyone who wants to see the graffiti here, looks like the ASS of 2007 signed their rock. I guess we know exactly who that was then. Anyway, let me get a video of Oma climbing up her ladder.
Up on my stick.
I'll throw it up there. Alright. Yeah, that's Oma's second hiking stick. Toward the end,
Hiking tree.
toward the end of Trail 4, she had a little hiking tree. And she didn't take it down the easy section of Trail 5, so she ended up having to find this muddy one in the creek down here. And I guess it kind of matches her now.
It looks rusty. I hope it don't break.
And she is up. Now it's my turn. Here, you want the camera?
I made it.
You want the camera?
Oh, you're kidding me.
You got it. There we go.
Here comes Roy. Yeah.
Yay! We made it. Okay.
Now go sit down here.
I think, yeah. She wanted a little break. Here's a nice little rock. Here's the view. Back down the trail, down the ladder. And anyway, we're gonna take a we'll go ahead and take a break here, and then we'll finish off the trail. And I think Oma wanted a restroom drink break, and then we'll probably
We'll
go
see
do
from
Trail
there.
1.
We'll see from there.
Anyway, that's it for now. Bye.